Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber or you're new to the channel, hi, thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, what's up? Okay, guess what? Your baby girl just got her very own ring light and tripod. Like, I'm not even joking. So before we continue this video, yeah, you're gonna do me a favor and you're gonna subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and watch this video to the end. I'm going to be unboxing my ring light and tripod stand this night, and we're going to assemble everything together. So get comfy, because right now I'm about to step out of my room. I want to go and have dinner. After I've had dinner, I have refueled myself. We're gonna sit down, we balance on the floor, and we will assemble this ring light. And by the way, this ring light is from Ustine7070. Everything in total plus delivery fee cost me about 47,000 Naira. Do you get? So like so it's time. It's time to unbox my baby.
Here we go. Oh my god. Can you see that? Oh my god. See, I feel like hugging it. Our ring light.
I know, right? Let's start.
Okay.
I think let's take it back. Yeah, there's place. Okay, so this is the tag. I don't know if you guys can see like what they wrote here. So like this is what they wrote here with the price and everything. See, you people better subscribe now, like subscribe, like awesome. Oh my god, this is awesome. So we got that one done. We got out now the main one.
Yeah.
Take this one to the bottom. Take the main one. Okay, now the main. Please, Kenny, can you dip your hand and bring out one thing?
Oh Jesus.
Dip your hand and bring out the last one. Can you imagine?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you seeing how shiny this mirror is? Oh my god.
In fact, wait, let me tell them. So this ring light here, I got it from Ustine7070. They're an IG. I really recommend you guys get your own from them. It comes with, this is 23 inches ring light. It comes with a mirror. It comes with a mirror. Turn back. Double-sided mirror, like, and it comes with like its remote control. Then this is the battery pack for it. This is the ring light. Can you imagine our heads can actually fit inside? Wow. Wow.
It comes. Oh my god.
that, like you hold that.
So hold
Oh
on.
yeah. Time to assemble.
Exactly.
Okay guys, so what we're going to do, I'm going to reduce the height of this so that it wouldn't, okay, not here, so that it wouldn't be so that you guys can see it. Yeah, if we had extension. Okay, so
Pardon us.
this is the ring light. This is how it looks without the light. Are you seeing this whole place is not looking so bright? Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it on? Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Oh my god.
Like, bruh, let's turn it so that it wouldn't be so that you guys will know how bright it is. This shit is bright, fam. Where's the remote control? Like, oh, see, I'm in charge. Oh, what? In fact, let's turn off our own light. Wait. Oh yeah, turn on. Put it on. Let's start. 1. Count with me.
Okay.
Count with me.
2.
2. Count with me. Count with me. 3. Count with me. Count with me. 4. Count with me.
Alright.
5.
Yeah.
Count with me. Count with me.
6.
Count with me. Count with me. 7. Count with me. Count with me. 8. 9.
And 10.
This is the highest. You have like 10. In fact, they said that you normally change color. Let's change the color.
Oh my god.
Warm. Oh yeah. Next one. Yeah. What you know this? Okay, this. I think this is it. Oh, this is like one more food. Oh, this one's like one more. See, don't shout at me. I know I am a blurry girl. I'm still trying to get this. Okay, this one is the one for me. Concept don't set. Concept don't set. You know what? After like 5 years of watching this food line, I don't already get that. Okay, let me go. That's all I can say because see, guy, forget about it. This is done. It's over. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. So like that's the end. Apparently we have not yet
Figured out.
we actually haven't figured out how to put this screw. There's like a screw. Oh! you have shared, subscribe, like, drop the comment. Basically everything. Okay, so for the, I don't know if I actually did mention it in the video, but like the ring light, I got it at Ustine7070 for sales price of 23 inches ring light, sales price 32,000. Then the tripod stand, I got it for 7,000. Then delivery fee from Abuja to Bowen University, Iwo, Osun State, I got it for like 8k. So in total that is like 47,000.
Yeah,
like period. Period. So
now we're going to be giving you quality video.
Like
Quality
content. By the way, this is IJ. She has a YouTube channel. I'll leave her YouTube channel link somewhere on the screen, so you guys should check out her YouTube channel. And this is my other subscribe to, and this is my other roommate. Bring your face. Like, this is my other roommate, Kenny. She's a lovely soul. She writes too. So you know, till next time, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Bye. Share these videos with your friends. Anyway, till next time, bye loves. Mwah.
Bye.